All right, here's the situation. We're at Joe's, and we're going to go on a pontoon boat ride.
Is it out?
I feel better now that I can turn my head and see where we're crashing.
Here we are on the SSS Chooch. Trolling around the private pond. This is phenomenal.
We didn't bring a horn.
Is that close enough?
This is fancy.
This is fancy. Got the little canopy.
Mr. Dave's got his nice deep cell battery here. Underneath his nice wood to cover.
Keeps the rain out.
It's no joke, Minn Kota. Here, hold my drink.
Put it in the holder. Put it in the cup holder.
Get this, plane this engine up here a little bit.
I think we're planing as much as we plane.
Oh yeah.
Yeah, I can really feel the difference. We're going in the shore, Joe.
We're running aground.